Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson water or water. Okay, in this lesson we learned about water, how to get water, what are the sources of water, okay, and uses of water, water cycle, and how to save the water. We learn whole thing about water. हम इस लेसन में सिर्फ वाटर के बारे में जान गए हैं. स्टेट्स ऑफ वाटर, सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस, and about rivers. So today we are just revising the question answers from this lesson. See, do you know any poem or song on water? Recite it in the class. वाटर के बारे में आपको कौन सा भी पोएम आता है तो एक बार उसको सुनाओ, गाओ. Second question is, which are the places mentioned in the poem where we find out water? In the poem, which places are mentioned of water? Water के कौन कौन से places mention किए दिए हैं? Answer is river, waterfall and spring. Next question is, tick the activity for which water is needed. To play? No. To sing? No. To row a boat? Yes. To write? No. To make a tea? Yes, we need water. To knead a dough? Yes. To run a fan? No. To paint pictures? Yes. To grow plants? Yes. Okay. Next question. Name any 4 activities which you can do without water. वाटर के बिना कौन कौन से काम करते हो आप? एक्टिविटीज़ करते हो, वर्क करते हो. डांसिंग? यस. जॉगिंग, वॉकिंग, सिंगिंग. दैट टाइप नेम एनी 4 एक्टिविटीज विच यू which cannot do without water. Answer: preparing food, bathing, washing clothes and utensils. We not do without water. We cannot do this one all activities without water. इन सब के लिए पानी चाहिए. Next, water more or less. Arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that need the most water. To bath, to drink, to clean the house, to water the field, to knead the dough. Answer: to water the field. ज़्यादा पानी लगता है, उससे भी कम. To clean the house, उससे भी कम. To bath, to drink, to knead the dough. Okay. Next, in the poem you read about rivers, waterfall, lakes and springs. We get water from all these places? Yes. From where do you get water? Put a circle around those places that are either in your house or around it. जहाँ जहाँ से आपको पानी मिलता है, it may be in your house or it may be outside. Answer: lake? No. Well? Yes. Tubewell? Yes. Pond? Yes. Waterfall? No. Hand pump? Yes. River? Yes. Stream? No. Tap? Yes. Tank? Tanka? Yes. Sea? No. Hot water spring? No. Next, have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? No, we didn't see that one. Does any river flow through your village or city? If yes, write yes and name its name. Yes, near my village, near my city, one river is there. That river name is Vedganga. Do you know the name of any rivers? Write their names. Ganga, Kaveri, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Satluj, etc. At home, where do you get drinking water from? We get drinking water from pipeline. We get drinking water from pipeline. Do you have to go far to get water? How much times does it take to bring the water? No, we not need to go to bring a water. We have pipeline. We get a water through a pipeline, so don't need to go far to get water. Do your neighbors bring water from the same places? Yes. Why do we need to store water? We need to store water if water supply is not possible. Once time some problems will come. Current problem, and again some electrical technical problem, it will come. Pipes, sometimes it will become a damage. Lots of problems will come. So that we need to store the water. Who fetch and store water in your house? My parents fetch and store water in my house. Are there certain people who are not allowed to take water from there? No, nobody are there. There are no such a persons. Okay. Next, color the pictures of those containers which you can use to storing water. We store water in bucket, in small pot, big pot, jug, jar, and again one steel pot. This type pots are their steel pots. In your notebook, draw a picture of other containers which are used for storing water in your house. Write their names. You draw again some different types of vessels, storing water vessels, and color it. Take a look at picture. If you will fill them with water, which will contain the least water, which will contain the most water, how could you tell? Okay, take a look at pictures. In this picture, in which container contain less water? Small pot. Which container will contain a more water? Bucket or this one? Big pot. See, next question. Given the grid, are some places where water is found. Find 7 of them. Put circles around each. One has already been done here, waterfall. That type, you make a circle to the word lake, pond, sea, tap, rain, as well as well. This type, circle there. This one, water resources. Okay, lake, will get a water from lake, will get a water from sea, we get water from well, rain, pond, tap. You circle it. Next question. In every row, put circle around that is different from the others. Also tell how it is different. River, mountain, lake, pond, spring. We circled here mountain. River contain water, lake contain water, pond, spring all both contains water. Only mountain is there that it does not have water. Second, bathing, washing clothes, swimming, combing hair. These all activity need water. Combing hair do not need water. Okay. Fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. Fish, duck, crocodile, tortoise, water animals. Monkey is a tree animal. Okay, it is live on land and it is live on most of the time spend his time is on tree. Car, boat, bus, train, bicycle. Boat, car, land vehicles means it will run on ground. Bus on ground, train on ground, land, bicycle on land. Boat only one is there that run on water. Okay kids, this time you read the lesson, revise the question answers, and one worksheet I will give you. You solve that one. Okay? See here. This is your yesterday's worksheet. You take a xerox of this one worksheet and solve it. Very easy question answers are there. If you read this one, जब आप रीड करोगे तो आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर्स पता हो जाएगा. See, so simple is there. Select the best options. Questions are there, answers are given here. This time you read it, think about it and solve it. Okay, these are very important for you. Very easy are there. You know this one all spellings, root, leaf. Okay, understood now? You try to do it. Neem leaves, mint leaves, betel leaves, stem. So today's your homework is read the lesson top chapter 3 and complete the worksheet 2. Tomorrow I will send this one next worksheet. Thank you for watching the video.